How to change iPhone battery color on your iPhone. If you're struggling with the same problem, don't worry, as we have brought you some simple tricks and tips on how we can do that. Firstly, go and tap on your settings. Now scroll down on your screen and tap on the option called Accessibility. Scroll down again and tap on the option called Pre-app Settings. Once you tap on Pre-app Settings, make sure that you have added the home screen and app library. Tap on it and scroll down and tap on Smart Invert. Once you tap on Smart Invert, make sure that it is on. Once you tap on On, it will automatically be on. Now scroll down on your screen and go to your brightness. Turn on your brightness and make sure that your device is on your dark mode. Once you tap on dark mode, it will automatically change the color when you charge your phone. In this way, you can easily change iPhone battery color on your iPhone. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.